Hello everyone. Today we will be working on a decision tree model in SKLearn library. This assignment consists of two parts. In part A, we want to check the possibilities that prohibit us from playing outdoor tennis and make predictions based on the data. And in part B, we want to check if a person has COVID-19 or not based on the symptoms and make predictions based on that. Let's start with the part A, the tennis. This is our CSV file, which has 5 columns: visibility, pressure, wind speed, court, and teammate, and it has 26 rows, as you guys can see. And going back to the code, first we would like to import the libraries that we're going to use. And over here, we're getting the CSV file and putting a data frame and printing its shape, which has 26 rows and 5 columns. We're printing it. This is our table. This is what it looks like. And over here, we are printing the column names. We do not want to make any mistakes when we're filling the our data frame, because it's going to cause us an error and going to give us a headache. We are giving numerical value to each row name in specific columns in the data frame. We are mapping the values into zeros and ones. And over here, we're calling the table again, and we can see that every entry under the columns change their values to zeros and ones. And over here, we're checking if our data set is missing any values. Everything should be false. If it's true, that means we're missing a value, which is great, we're not. And then first, we're separating the data variables into 2 data frames. We're dropping I would like to drop the teammate column first, and it's under axis 1. If we would like to manipulate columns, we should be setting the axis to 1. And if you would like to manipulate rows, we should be setting it to 0. And over here, we are splitting the data set into 70% of it to training data and 30% of it to testing data. And lastly, we are building the decision tree model on our data set, and then we are printing it, and this is the prediction. And as of part B, I'll show the CSV file first. Consists of 3 columns and 35 rows. It's fever, back pain, and cough. And if you go back to the code, and over here we're first importing the libraries that we want. And after that, we're getting the CSV file and putting it into our data frame and printing its shape. It's 35 rows and 3 columns. We're checking if the data set is missing any values. Everything should be false. Looks good. And over here, we're splitting the data set into 70% training data and 30% testing data. We are using the array slicing method. The first one right here is means that it's a copy of the whole array, and after the comma, it means that from start to one before the end. And over here means that the copy of the whole array and the last item in the array. And we're running this as well. And lastly, we are running the cell which will initialize our decision tree, and it prints us an accuracy score of 63. And this is it. Thank you so much for listening.